Friends, welcome to SAP German Language Institute and our next FAQ video. In this video, I'm going to answer one question, that is, can I go to Germany without learning German? Very simple. One who asked this question was also aware that probably it is not possible, but it is possible if you are going there as a tourist or some one trip for business or visiting some exhibition or some for a very short trip. You can go, you will get visa, there will be no any issue. You can go to Germany if there is any kind of letter you have from the university, if you are studying there and you got admission without requirement of German language. You can go to Germany without German language. If you already got the job or company is sending you for some business trip, you don't need German, you can travel there, you can go. But next question should be like, how will be your experience? It will be tough. If you don't know German, it will be quite tough for you to survive there or communicate or just get along with other people and understand things. Buying, shopping, traveling, hoteling, all these things will be quite difficult. But if you learn at least one level of German language, then the same thing will be fun. You will enjoy a lot. You will have no issues discussing or communicating with people, chatting with people there, getting along with them, hanging out at some places, going to hotel, restaurant, bar, desk. Everything will be fun if you know German. So one level you must do if you are planning to go to Germany. That's it. Yeah. So I hope this was helpful. And if you're having any queries, any questions, mention there in the comment box. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. You can watch many other interesting videos like grammar. You can learn vocab, and you can even watch our native Germans videos. You can find that on our YouTube channel. The same channel you can check. And if you want to learn German right from the basic, then go for our courses. Visit our website, get the number and talk to us, and you can start learning German with SAP Institute. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.